Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to screen mirror iPhone to Samsung TV. So let's start following these steps. Surely you will do it. So the first one is to check your compatibility. So you have to ensure that your Samsung TV supports AirPlay 2, available on most of the model from 2018 onwards. If you're sure, check your TV's manual or specifications. Then you have to connect the same Wi-Fi network. So when you check that the compatibility is okay, so you have to check and make sure your iPhone and Samsung TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for devices to communicate. So then you have to enable AirPlay on Samsung TV. On your Samsung TV, go to Settings, General, Apple AirPlay Settings, and turn on AirPlay. So you have to access Control Center and iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone, or swipe up from the bottom if you are using an older model to open the control center. So then you have to start screen mirroring. Tap on the screen mirroring icon. It looks like two overlapping rectangles, and select your Samsung TV from the list of available devices. So you have to enter AirPlay code. If your TV displays an AirPlay code, enter it on your iPhone to establish the connection. Then you have to enjoy the mirroring. Your iPhone screen should now appear on your Samsung TV. You can display photos, videos, apps, or even presentations. If you want to stop the mirroring, go back to the control center on your iPhone and tap Start Mirroring. So if you follow this step, surely you will do it. And well, as you can see, it's very easy to do. So I hope this worked for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.